everyone, welcome back to the Wild Wheels and good morning. I'm back with another video. Over the last 2 weeks I haven't got a chance to upload anything, but yeah, I'm back. Been extremely busy, a lot of personal work and office work, didn't get time at all. So today I'm going to a place called Midala Lake. It's around 80 kilometers from where I stay in Bangalore in Whitefield, and काफ़ी Instagram में famous हो गया है, and it looks pretty nice, so we thought to explore. I'm again with my friend here today. He's just behind me. He's riding on his Duke 390. Okay, so truck is overtaking another truck. Gotta be careful on this highway, because this highway पे वैसे तो ये हाईवे जनरली बहुत ही क्लियर रहता है, but yeah, I mean during night times I think it's better to be careful. I was expecting अभी तक sunrise हो जाएगा, but it seems not. It's been raining like crazy in Bangalore over the last week. पता नहीं अभी कैसा weather है. It still seems a bit cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I mean, but even if it does, it doesn't really matter. It's all good. It's all part of the ride. Finally, after 2 weeks, I'm getting a chance to ride my bike, and it really is a wonderful feeling to be back on the roads. So I did try to take my bike out on a weekday. I think it was Ganesh Chaturthi that day. But इतना ज़्यादा traffic था कि I actually turned back after 30 minutes of riding. And you know, with this bike, you can't actually ride in traffic. I mean, instead of enjoying it, you will start getting annoyed, irritated, all those things. So yeah, feels fantastic riding bike again. Oh, what a view on my right inside. I don't know if it's getting captured or not. Okay, so most of the way to Midala Lake is through STRR. It's, I think, almost 1.5 hours. I just need to keep riding this, and then I need to take a right turn from STRR just before you reach Tumkur to reach that place. Instagram में काफ़ी दिख रहा है यार, so I thought कि why not, explore करना तो बनता है. Today I actually also wanted to check the mileage of this bike. So mileage हम दो तरीके से चेक करेंगे. एक तो BMW के कंप्यूटर में क्या दिखाता है, and then also the actual mileage test, which maybe I'll do tomorrow, because today I think after this ride I have some work. तो बस ये आज का एक राइड ही हो पाएगा. मैंने ऑलरेडी ट्रिप रीसेट कर दिया था. लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स हैव वी रिडन एज ऑफ नाउ. सो इट्स ओनली बीन 28 मिनट्स सिंस आई स्टार्टेड, एंड हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स डिड आई कवर्ड अराउंड 27 kilometers, and you see the mileage it's showing here 27.7, and this is after XP600. okay, so after XP600 the mileage has actually increased by a lot. I think it's been increased by almost 6-7 kilometers per liter. I mean, that's a big jump. So I think even if XP100 is a bit expensive, I think it's still manageable, because it makes it very cost effective. So yeah, I am okay with the whole setup. It's just that कि यार कल गवर्नमेंट उठ के ये ना बोले कि यार अब हम XP100 भी सप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. And to be really honest, I didn't know they had the power to do so. In fact, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I filed one RTI, demanding answers from government on why this decision was taken regarding E20. Unfortunately, I didn't get a very satisfying answer. it seems they are not liable to answer to the citizens. What to say, man, what to say. But yeah, I think that's how it is. Also, it's not just about mileage, right? So if you put XP100, the performance of your engine, the condition of your engine, you know, the wear and tear that it generally goes through, I think all that will be managed properly. So I think I'm okay with the whole setup. But I'm sure there will be a lot of people who would not be very happy with this decision. It's just that people who own cars, for example, my car I think I bought it in the year 2022 or something. And that's not E20 compatible. So if it's not E20 compatible, that becomes the problem. In fact, the mileage has considerably dropped. And I own a turbo engine petrol vehicle, Kia Sonet. So उसका mileage तो in any case already बहुत कम होता है. So if you start putting E20, तो उसका mileage literally in city now I'm getting around 7, 8, 9 in Bangalore traffic. I used to get around 10, 11. So it's not like it has considerably dropped, but it has dropped by 2 kilometers, 1 kilometers per liter. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to do. Maybe I'll try putting XP100 on my car as well. I think it's going to be a cloudy day today as well. Yeah, a lot of clouds. I'm not expecting any sunrise. I'm just hoping कि यार कुछ खास ज़्यादा बारिश ना हो. वैसे तो I have all the gear, the raincoat, the rain pants. Just bought it. Haven't got a chance to actually use it, but आज ना ही हो तो अच्छा है. Oh man, what the hell is this? Why is he stopping there? अच्छे खासे आदमी स्पीड पे जा रहा है and then बीचों बीच जो है ना रोड पे रोक देगा. I don't understand this. बढ़िया लग रहा है यार. The helmet is fantastic. बढ़िया लग रहा है यार helmet. Alistair Storm, this color is pretty nice. And मैं सोच रहा था कि यार पता नहीं ये कलर शायद मैच ना करे उसके ऑरेंज बाइक के साथ ना. But then I think that looks okay. He was like बाइक तो आती जाती रहेगी, हेलमेट तो एक ही रहेगा. I was like okay. I think it works the other way around. But who knows, maybe he's also getting inspired by looking at my BMW. So you never know. So yeah, the sun is up. It's breakfast time and I want to have something to drink as well. I was actually going to bring some tea, but मुझे अपना वो थर्मस ही नहीं मिला यार. So no tea, but I have heard कि वहाँ पे कुछ tea spots भी हैं. So maybe we can go there.